All right, how's it going, guys? I'm just making a recap video of the trades that I did today because it has been requested by some people, and I think it would be helpful to keep doing these. So let's get into it. Just gonna make this pretty quick. Um, Everything that I traded today was on INM, which is a pharmaceutical stock, and the reason I traded it today was it has great news, as you can see here. Oh, this one was super recent, but this one around 2 hours ago, which is right when this price jump happened, all the way up from 267 ish. We shot up all the way here to around 490, and then we came down and shot up again. Um, and if we switch to the 1 day time frame, we can see that this has happened before. So this is where we are right now. However, the stock recently has been doing this. Um, so we knew it was capable of doing this essentially. And then going back to the 1 minute, let me show you the three trades that I did. So first I drew this line, which is sort of like a resistance line. I could have drawn it better, but honestly you can see how it just touched this line again here. Not quite, but it's a similar point. And then I drew this price here way before any of this happened. So we were like down here, and I drew this because it looked like a point of resistance right here. It bumped off of this resistance point right here and right here. So going into the first trade, the stock was below the VWAP line, which is this purple one, and we were just kind of sitting around here. And I saw, obviously, the market opened and the volume is going to increase. So it increased again, and I just saw it coming up, and it was really just right at this VWAP line for the first trade, and I knew that it had potential because of what it had done earlier today. So I got in with 1,000 shares, which is a lot of shares for me. Um, and so then I got out right here. Once it hit this line, this really happened instantaneously where it like shot up and then shot right back down to this line. And I didn't put a take profit, but I could have. I'm just trying to not use the take profits just to see how far they can run. And so that trade gave me $580 with 1,000 shares, which was around like $4,000. So it was higher than 10% on my investment, I guess if you could call it. So that was great. That got me off to a great start. And then the next two trades, I both got out of within like a minute. So that happened right here, where it got up, pulled back, was just kind of doing nothing here, and then I saw this spike, and then went back down, and so I got in, and then it just was starting to go back down again, and so I just got out like pretty quickly. I think I lost like $90, and then here again we saw another spike, and so I think I got in halfway through the spike, and then it just sort of did nothing. And then I saw it coming down on this one, and so I got out. I think I was like break even or like -$5, just because I knew. I mean, if you look at this, the volume was decreasing, which is interesting, um, because that just shows you that it's not really going anywhere. But then it did, so I'm actually really glad I got out because my stop loss was probably down here, and I would have lost this. So yeah, it shot down really quickly, and now look at it. I mean, this is live right now. I sort of decided I was done trading after this. Um, but overall, a great day. We had a great day yesterday and a great day last Friday. So, um, three green days in a row, which usually I don't have, to be honest. So that means we're making progress. And the goal is to be green on the whole week this week, and then after this week, I want to be green the next week and green as much as possible. But yeah, we're making progress. Hopefully you guys like this little video that I just made, and leave your comments down below. All right, see you guys later.